To crochet this scarf, I'm using G6 4mm hook and medium weight for yarn. Let's make a slip knot, and I will chain 45 plus 3. This pattern is multiples of 5 plus 3. Also have a written pattern, and the link is just below this tutorial. So now we'll make triple crochet, and we skip 7 stitches into the 8 and make a triple crochet, yarn over 2 times, we skip 4 and make triple crochet into the 5th. Chain 3 and we'll make triple crochet into the same stitch. Yarn over 2 times, we skip 4 stitches and make triple crochet. Chain 3 and we'll make triple crochet into the same stitch. And now just continue the same to the end. Skip 4 and triple crochet, chain 3 and then triple crochet into the same stitch. Next row, chain 4 now we again triple crochet. I'll go into this stitch, chain 3 and triple crochet into the same stitch. Yarn over 2 times, we'll triple crochet, we'll go into the next stitch, we skip that chain, now chain 3 and triple crochet into the same stitch. Yarn over 2 times, skip those 3 chains and triple crochet into the stitch, chain 3 and we just repeat the same. Triple crochet into the same stitch, yarn over 2 times, skip that part and triple crochet, and continue like this to the end. Chain 3, triple crochet into the same stitch, triple crochet into the next. Finish the row, we have triple crochet, chain 3, triple crochet, and now triple crochet with skip 1 2 3 into the 4th stitch and make triple crochet. Now the pattern repeats. Chain 8 and turn your work. We have chain 8, triple crochet into the stitch, yarn over 2 times, triple crochet into the next stitch. We skip that chain, chain 3, and we triple crochet into the same stitch, yarn over 2 times, we triple crochet into the next stitch, and this is actually the same as we did the first row. Chain 3, triple crochet into the same stitch, and continue like this. This repeats. Chain 3, continue like this. So finishing the row, triple crochet, chain 3 and triple crochet, and now chain 4, turn your work, yarn over twice, and we go and make triple crochet into this stitch, and this actually repeats. Now this is same as row 2. Chain 3, triple crochet into the same stitch, yarn over 2 times, we skip, triple crochet, and the pattern is very easy for beginners too. Chain 3, we triple crochet into the same stitch, we skip, triple crochet, chain 3, and we triple crochet into that stitch, the same stitch, chain 3 and triple crochet, So this is just a repeat. This row repeat. It is same as second row. Chain now 3, triple crochet, and now we skip 3, 1 2 3 into the 4th and make triple crochet. So the next row will be repeat again, and we chain 8 and continue like that. So guys, thank you so much. Please subscribe and I'll see you next time. Bye.